Hello folks, we're going to take a look at another one of these RCI-X9s, this is new radio. This is for Skyler in Oregon. Alright Skyler, we're going to start on AM mode with the power all the way down. We'll check it out up here. This meter's got 10 watts on the top scale. All the way down is 2. Alright, now I'm going to bring it to the next scale down. It's 10, 20, 30 on the bottom. And rotate the watt knob all the way up. We get about 22 there. Now our peak power, this is a 250 slug, and that's 100 watts up there versus 10.
Audio, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check.
And on sideband, turn this radio down. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. There you have it. And you heard a little bit on the talk back there, and we'll put it on the air.